Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again with another fun and exciting how-to video for you. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create some effortless tousled beach waves. If that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned because it's about to happen here. It's about to happen now. Alright, let's get started. So first off, we're going to start with dry hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the hair with Corrective Protect Heat Protector. So I'm just going to give it a nice spritz everywhere to make sure that we're protecting the hair from heat, from the curling iron, and it's also going to give it some nice shine. Alright, so now we're going to section off the hair, and sectioning for this portion is not critical. I'm just going to take 2 sections from the crown of the head to the back of the ear, and then I'm going to split the back into half horizontally, just so that we separate some hair in through there. Alright, before we start curling, I'm just going to lightly mist the hair with this Palm Mitchell Super Extra Clean Hairspray. Alright, once we get our hairspray on, we're going to be taking a section of hair. So once we've got our section isolated, we're going to start curling through the middle of the hair from the mid-shaft to end. The reason I do that is because I want loose beachy waves, so I don't want too much volume in the root area. So I'm not going to necessarily start up here because that's just going to create some volume. I'm going to start towards the mid-shaft and then twisting the hair this way. And then what I want to do is, instead of unclamping and releasing, I want to pull the hair down. And it's fine if it's not perfectly curled. We don't want a perfect curl. What we want is some dents and waves in there. For our next section, I'll go ahead and grab another section. Now, notice that for this section, we curled away from the face. So now we're going to curl in the opposite direction. The reason we're doing that is so that we get some texture. We don't get uniform curls going in the same direction. Notice that as I'm curling, I'm not running my fingers through them. I want to let them cool. And again, remember to alternate direction. So we're curling away from the face and pulling down. And then our last section here. Starting at the mid-shaft, curling in the opposite direction, and then pulling it down. So once we got our bottom section done, we're going to continue working up the head. Alright, so as we take our section from the second row, we're going to curl in the opposite direction from the bottom section. The bottom section we curled away from the face. This top one, again, we'll start mid-shaft, and we're going to be curling towards the face. Holding it there, and pulling down as we release. And we're going to continue to work in the same manner around the head. For this third row, again, alternating the direction of the curl, holding it in place and pulling it down. And we're going to continue through the remainder of the head. Alright, so now we've finished the back here, and we're going to continue letting it cool. So now we're moving on to the side. Back here, I suggested that we alternate curl pattern to get a little bit of texture. However, in the front area here, I really enjoy when the curls are just going away from the face. I feel like it opens up the face a lot more, and I think it just looks a lot cuter. However, it's total personal preference. You can continue alternating curl pattern here, or you can just simply curl in one direction, which is what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so we are done curling. I went ahead and finished the curling off camera. And so at this point we haven't combed anything out, and the hair should look something like this. Alright, so now that our curls are cooled down, I'm going to be taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to be brushing the curl out. And guys, don't be afraid of brushing out your curl. It's gonna stay in there. I mean, we put some hairspray, we curled it. Alright, now that we are all combed out, I'm just gonna lightly mist it with a shine spray. I'm using Alpha Par Sublime. And then I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, play with it. And here we have it, guys. Super fun, super cute, super chic, effortless beach waves. I love doing this on my clients. If you visit my Instagram, you'll notice that 80% of my clients walk out with these effortless waves. I just think they're super fun and I think they're super cute. When you have some light pieces in through your hair, it also makes your color pop really, really nicely. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.